Hello everyone, welcome back to CarCoutureTV. Today we're diving into an exciting new entry in the premium SUV segment, the MG Gloster 2025. A bold and feature-packed SUV that aims to raise the bar in terms of luxury, performance, and technology, all while maintaining its reputation as a value-for-money offering. Let's take a full look at what makes this SUV tick, from its stunning exterior to what's under the hood and everything in between. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Gloster commands attention right from the get-go. MG has refreshed its design with a more aggressive front grille featuring a new dark chrome finish, sleeker adaptive LED headlamps, and a more sculpted bonnet that adds to its muscular presence. The new alloy wheel designs, redesigned LED tail lights, and dual exhausts complete its premium and rugged appeal, making it look every bit like a true full-size SUV that can compete with the likes of Fortuner and Endeavour in sheer road presence. Step inside, and the interior tells a story of sophistication and comfort. The cabin now comes with a dual-tone theme featuring quilted leather upholstery, soft-touch materials all around, and brushed aluminum accents. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, supported by wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while a fully digital instrument cluster gives the cockpit a high-tech vibe. MG has also added ventilated and massaging front seats, ambient lighting, and an upgraded panoramic sunroof that opens wider and smoother, giving the cabin a much more airy and premium feel. Under the hood, the performance gets a notable upgrade. The 2025 Gloster is powered by a 2.0-liter twin-turbo diesel engine that now delivers a more refined 218 PS of power and 480 Nm of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating rugged terrain, the Gloster's intelligent all-wheel drive system with selectable terrain modes ensures a composed and confident drive. The engine refinement and NVH levels have also been improved, making long drives smoother and quieter than ever. When it comes to safety features, MG hasn't held back. The Gloster 2025 is packed with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera with enhanced clarity. It also features 6 airbags as standard, electronic stability control, and a reinforced body shell to meet global safety standards, making it one of the safest SUVs in its class. What really sets the Gloster apart are its unique selling points. It's the only SUV in its segment offering Level 2 ADAS features at this price, plus it continues to be one of the largest and most spacious SUVs on the market with true 7-seat comfort. Add to that the premium interior feel, segment-first features like massage seats, and MG's excellent after-sales package including a 3-2-1 ownership plan, and you've got a package that's hard to ignore. As for the price, the MG Gloster 2025 starts around 38 lakh rupees ex-showroom, which puts it competitively against rivals while offering more in terms of tech and luxury. Higher-end variants with the twin-turbo and all features max out close to 43 lakh rupees, but for what you're getting, it still delivers incredible value. In conclusion, the MG Gloster 2025 is a solid evolution of an already capable SUV. It's big, bold, luxurious, and now smarter than ever. If you're looking for a full-size SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort, safety, or performance, and you want the best of modern tech in a commanding package, this one absolutely deserves your attention. Thanks for tuning into CarCoutureTV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. See you in the next one.